What's up YouTube? Good morning. It is currently Monday morning and it is another new week here at the office. You can see there's some cool stuff going on behind me, but I wanted to jump into something really quick. I have a good friend of mine who came by my office about a year and a half ago, and it kind of scared me because he pulled up in a cop car and he was asking for me. It turns out he was a fan of what I do and kind of my whole YouTube and Instagram channel, and he was just a supporter. So we've been in touch back and forth. I'm actually gonna donate a bunch of my SB prints, which is my poster company, of a bunch of my photography that I've taken over the last probably 5 years, some of my favorite shots. And he's doing a charity auction, I believe, a really cool purpose for what they're doing. So I'm actually gonna donate a bunch of these posters where they're gonna give these away to kids to kind of have, you know, something fun to hang up on their walls. So good start to Monday morning so far. More on this later. Is that enough water?
Yes.
Is that gonna be good for a while, you think?
2 days.
Yeah, 3 days maybe. This video is going to be a little bit disorganized because I'm going to be documenting the next 3 or 4 days of what's happening, but we are in the office today. It's currently like 2 p.m. and I got these guys right there.
Oh, what's up?
Going through some training. We'll talk about that in a little bit, but I have a #2 employee that just started on Monday, and then also yesterday I celebrated my 1-year anniversary of being my own business owner. It's insane how fast time goes, but 1 year of owning a digital marketing company, social media marketing, whatever you want to call it. Now we're adapting slowly into YouTube editing, vlog editing, filming more, and now contracting a lot of people all over the USA. My clients are everywhere from New York to Oregon to Florida, you name it. We're getting clients everywhere, which I'm very thankful for. So this video, like I said, a little bit scattered, have some stuff going on later today, also tomorrow and Friday and the weekend, but sit back and enjoy the vlog.
I want to hear your story, first of all, how you got involved with the automotive community.
I knew that YouTube was a platform to kind of express what I loved, and I knew I could inspire people. First night on the new bed sheets. Cloud 10, thank you for sending me these sheets. These are extremely comfortable. So nice. Good morning, YouTube, by the way. Good morning. So if you guys have noticed in the last few of my videos, I've been taking a little bit more care of my skin, and I'm using this company called Lifeline Skincare, and this is actually stuff that I keep in my camera bag. So this is a cleanser and this is a toner. I never knew how important it was to invest in your skin, and obviously with me I've had skin issues my whole life, but this is really cool. It's actually a powder that you use as a cleaner, and then they have a ton of history behind their company, but so far it's been really good. Definitely noticed a huge difference. Can somebody explain to me why you have to have the auxiliary port be also your charger, and then you can't charge while you live? I mean, iPhone 10, come on. It's not good, but I am addicted to these things lately. It does add up. It's expensive. I'm a little bit rusty on the vlogging just because I haven't taken my camera into a lot of public places lately. I've only been doing videos on like cars and stuff, so it's a little weird on a weekday to try to film with a camera in a Starbucks. Vlogging's not easy. It's fun, but it's not easy. What's up, guys? Over here at Shell in Irvine. This is the only gas station I go to. I've been trying to get a hold of Shell, so if anyone knows anyone that works at Shell, please let me know. But basically I have some plans today. I'm not in the office today. Dylan and Josh, which I introduced later on in some other videos, they're both my employees now, really good people. But I'm out in the field today going to some clients to have some meetings and go over some stuff for the future and just talk about a few things. So figured why not bring you guys along for the day. I know I haven't been sharing as much as far as the social media stuff, so my goal is to bring you guys along for more of these things like this. If you guys want to know, it is 50 to 60 bucks every time I fill up my car, and this is every 3 to 6 days depending on how much I drive. good.
Social media.
That's where when we send everything out to those people and they... So we are over at CNC right now, and I just had a meeting with Dave from Wavy. He is the manager of the company Wavy. He's one of my social media clients. If you watched the last video of me being here, I talked about how I manage social media for the dealership here and for 2 other companies that they own. I'm just gonna stop right here because that color is so sick. I was looking at this thing when I first walked in. Viper ACR, all red with no stripes. Dang. Their inventory changes so quickly. You guys can remember this car from last time. I think this is Voodoo Blue. Really good color, nice little yellow GT3. Is this a 0.2? Yes, it is. This is a 0.2. This is also a 0.2. Kind of similar to my car, but man, you can really see the different blue variants they have. You got the RWB, the R34 GTR back there. Always good inventory here. Let's see, this was the car that we filmed last time that was in the back showroom. Stripeless Special with all that Alcantara. So good, such a sick car. There's one car that caught my attention, was this 430 Scud with gold stripes. But man, I'm a big fan of yellow headlights too. This is a 430 with 360 challenge wheels. Last time on video you guys asked me what my favorite car was. R34 GTR back there. Oh, so good. I'll promise you guys one day very soon I'll be picking up a 05 Gallardo Coupe 6-speed manual. Something like this, not sure about the color, but that is the key right there. This would be a perfect car for me. This one has like, I think only a few thousand miles on it. Clear engine bonnet, no backup camera. I don't really care about that, but I would want on mine, clear engine bonnet, all black interior, because I would wrap it. And then obviously the 6-speed manual. But once I get all my employees taken care of, get my businesses really built up, this will be one of the rewards for myself very soon. Oh. I saw the owner of the company, oh man, 720S. I saw the owner of the company, he posted this on his Facebook or his Instagram yesterday. That is a car. Look at those fenders, man. Dang. What a car. Man, look at, you can see right here with the sun hitting it with the shadows, the fenders are just so damn wide. It's a cool spec. I thought it was a 675, but it just has the wheels on it from a 675. Has all the carbon fiber, all the Alcantara. 918. Celine S7. Drove that car, I think it's fun. P1, I think it's delivery mile. And then everything else, just insane.
42 grand, you know what I mean? This car should be.
Got another day at the office, training Josh still. Got a Z-Works light post going up. Spencer is out in the field today, and we're working away.
It's my employee over at the office. He's currently training one of our new guys there. Some cool stuff hiding back here. I don't even see these things. I don't even know what half this stuff is. Mercedes van, a GMC truck. So as you can see, I have a box right here. This is from the company Wavy. I'm gonna do some more promotional photos for them. Just had a really good meeting with the whole team here. Clay, thanks for taking the time to meet with me. Also Cam, Joey, and everyone else, and Fraser, thank you for the time. It was really fun to be here. I'm actually really late for a meeting in Ontario, just down the street at another dealership with my client. So I just wanna keep sharing this with you. I don't really have much of a purpose for the story here, but the idea is just to share what I'm doing and document the 1 year of the marketing company and then what we're gonna do next. So time to get the M3 and head down the street. I can tell you one thing right now, it is hot as hell over here in Ontario. My car is very, very dirty. Sammy, Blake, I'm so sorry that I'm late. I didn't realize that I was kind of further away from your dealership than I thought, but I'm coming right now. I'm sorry, I'll be there any second. 8 minutes. So we are here at Ontario. There's my boy, Blake. What up, dude? At Ontario Auto Mall. And let me jump out real quick. You guys remember Blake right here? He's a photographer that did the, you did the photo shoot with the M3, right?
Yeah.
So he took some really good photos, and I happened to just ask a bunch of people that was with us, or that were with us at the photo shoot of who lives the closest to Ontario, which you live, what, 10 minutes from here? 20 minutes, so super close for him. And this dealership, I do all their social media for Sammy and Ontario Auto Mall. They needed a photographer, so now that's a new photographer. So I'm gonna train him today on kind of like how to shoot red cars, how to shoot black cars, how to use a polarizer a little bit better, and figured I'd bring you guys along with it. So I'm basically teaching how to position the car, how to make more consistent photos, how to put the first quarter panel shot with the top down, how to show the most features in the main photo, and then have every car be the same as far as consistent pictures. So everything's very uniform. I'm teaching him that right now.